Class, do you know that faith isn't about the size of what you bring to God? It's about the attitude of your heart. Remember, God evaluated Abel's heart long before he evaluated his sacrifice. Without genuine reverence, external religious routine is just an empty ritual.
So, Cain's offering wasn't rejected just because it was farm produce? It was rejected because his heart was just making a transaction?
Exactly, Tammy. Abel brought trust. Cain just brought a transaction, an obligation. When Cain got angry, did you know that God gave him a merciful warning? Sin is crouching at your door. It desires to have you, but you must rule over it. True faith means listening early to God's conviction and directions before our human emotion takes the wheel.
But Baba, Abel did the right thing, and he still died tragically. Humanly speaking, didn't Cain win and Abel lose?
That's where human logic fails us, Tammy. Our faith is verified by God, not our immediate circumstances. Abel's story didn't end in defeat. God's approval of his heart mattered far more than his earthly outcome or achievements. Did you know that Abel became the very first human to prove that a life surrendered in faith leaves an impact that outlasts physical death? While Cain built temporary earthly cities, but Abel was placed in God's eternal hall of faith.
So, true faith speaks even beyond the grave. That is, our disobedience drags everything into failure and shame. However, God doesn't leave the story broken, right?
Never. Disobedience creates limits, but faith transcends them. Eve was even given Seth to replace the son she lost. Even Cain received mercy and a mark of protection. And generations later, Enoch, the son of Cain, walked in intimate faith with God. He walked so closely with God that he bypassed death entirely.
Wow! So faith doesn't just fix our mistakes, it completely rewrites who we are and gives us a beautiful story.
That is correct. Tammy, that is what God wants us to always carry and bear in our minds. Okay, class, don't forget that a life of faith is a God-filled life. I will see you all in our next class. Thanks for the questions, Tammy. Keep it up.